Hi guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to install a uPVC window with a timber reveal and how to seal it properly for weather tightness using TESCON EXTORA PROFIL. This window has already the timber reveal fully installed, but we still have to create a weather-tight connection between the timber reveal and the uPVC frame. As we always want to create a tape overlap bottom up, we have to start on the bottom of the window. Remember to use the PRESSFIX tool to ensure that the tape is adhering right into the edge between the frame and the reveal. To seal the corners, create a diagonal cut 3 mm out from the fold and then stick the triangular tape flaps down on either side. As you work your way around the sides, the tape should neatly overlap on the corners. Remember, start with the bottom, then the left and the right side, and the top last. Before you install the window, you have to be sure that the window sill is plumb and also one side of the window opening. Now we are ready to install the window. Once you have confirmed that the window is set in the right location, drill pilot holes through the reveal and into the timber opening. Then use full thread window installation screws to fix the window frame in place. The last step is to tape the gap between the window and the membrane. Use the TESCON EXTORA PROFIL with a split release paper. It's much easier. As we can expect standing water here on the top of the window, we definitely should install a flashing to deflect all the water to the front of the window. Your window is installed, but remember, you have to seal the window to the timber reveal and then the whole window to your weather-resistive barrier. And Bob's your uncle.